Hello everyone and welcome. This is Mark. Today we do a full review of the current gcdt release 78. Focus in gcdt development is on making it simpler, easier and better. For example, make it very easy for new gcdt users to get started. Simplify installation, provide better documentation and support. I just want to take a few minutes of your time to go through the new gcdt features. Let's get started and do a quick overview of what the releases 75 to 78 offer for you. GCD has a new docu format, Pythonic dependency management, simplified installation process, version update warning, Node.js support for Ramuda. Release 76, we removed the Git dependency for Ramuda and optional requirements text and settings cont for Ramuda, simplified using Gradzes as a library. In release 77, we built a gcdt lifecycle as preparation step for the plugin mechanism. The plugin mechanism makes it easy to customize gcdt behavior for your project. Datadog integration to send events and metrics to Datadog, AWS client, low-level interface, and command dispatcher to ease automatically test gcdt commands. In release 78, latest one this week, we have config reader plugin, glomex-cloud plugin, bundler plugin, and a Slack integration plugin. Talking about new features, let's get started with one I am very fond of. gcdt has a new docu format. Prior to release 75, gcdt only had a README file on GitHub. Now we made the docu easier to navigate and maintain. I quickly want to jump into the new docu format. The README now acts like a landing page for gcdt where you can find links to all relevant pages. The docu itself now contains the changelog, and it has a section on development and documenting the gcdt codebase itself. We migrated the user guide into a better structure where you easily find things. Next page is the Datadog dashboard, which gives us an indication which parts of gcdt are important to you. The gcdt Slack channel, if you run into a problem, you should get feedback here very quickly. On GitHub, we have an issues page where you can add issues with gcdt. Next page is the gcdt project board. Most interesting for you probably the backlog, where you get a sneak peek on upcoming features and see how the backlog is prioritized. Another interesting feature of gcdt release 75 is the Pythonic dependency management. In the past 6 months, we used strict dependency management using pip-compile. This fixed some problems but made dependency management much harder. With release 75, we moved back to standard Python dependency management. We did this together with the data platform team, and they already confirmed that it works for them. So we are confident it works for you too. With release 75, we simplified the installation process. We introduced the gcdt installer to ease the installation of gcdt tools. I skip over this since I'm going to make a dedicated screencast specific to this. Related to this, the gcdt version update warning. If your project uses an old gcdt version, you get an update warning. With release 75 comes Node.js support for Ramuda. The CO team asked for Node.js support in Ramuda. Ramuda bundle now supports the runtime Node.js 4.3 and can work with packaged JSON files. npm install is executed during bundling phase to install the npm modules your AWS Lambda depends on. In release 77, we introduced gcdt lifecycle and plugin mechanism. And we have the following lifecycle steps: init, config read, lookup, config validation, bundle, the command step, and finalize. gcdt provides lifecycle hooks that plugins use to add functionality to gcdt. In release 78, we added gcdt plugins, moved significant parts of the existing gcdt codebase into plugins. This benefits us in two ways. It makes it simpler for you to change or adjust gcdt behavior using plugins, and plugins are now easy to test as components. Currently, we have the following plugins: Slack integration, Datadog integration, Glomex config reader, Glomex lookups, and the bundler that creates code bundles. We hope this improvement make your work with gcdt much easier. We are committed to further work on usability improvements in the upcoming weeks. The next video is going to cover gcdt installer in detail. If you find this video helpful, please share it with your coworkers. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Keep in touch. Bye.